In this video, we will discuss about what is a partner in a law firm. Every few years, there seems to be a new television series centered around the judicial system. One of my all-time favorite, The Guardian, is about a hotspot lawyer who works for its dad's law firm and dreams of becoming a partner. So, with all the take about making partner, what exactly does it mean? A law firm partner is an attorney who started out as an associate but has advised to have partial ownership in the firm. There are two types of partners in a law firm: equity partners, who are partners that not only earn a salary but also a share of the profit at the end of the year, and non equity partners who help manage the firm and have voting rights but they do not get a share of the profits. In generally, I will depend upon the size of the firm as to how long it can take an associate to become a partner. It also will depend upon the work ethic of the associate and their performance on the job. If you really want to make partner one day, you need to strive to do your best and show that you are an asset of the firm. In generally, it can take anywhere from 7 to 11 years of make partner. However, for smaller firms, it can take even less time. The traditional way law firm partnership will invite a attorney is based on their years of experience and billable hours. They generally follow a single tier approach where they will promote senior attorneys from within the firm after being with the firm from a specified number of years. They will still pay them a salary but will also offer a share of the profits. These are known as equity partners and the usually are given more powerful with their position, such as voting rights and the ability to make decisions for the firm. They own a portion of the firm's assets and that includes real estate. However, they also share in the firm's expenses and liabilities. This other way a law firm will invite an associate to join the partnership is to become a non-equity partner. Non-equity partners receive a salary but do not share in the profits. This is a way for some lawyers to gain a prestige of being a partner of a firm.